Hi, Grade 6. Today we'll continue the first lesson in the first unit, which is called types of levers. Levers are classified into three types according to the location of the effort force, resistance force, and the fulcrum. So there are three types of levers: first class levers, second class levers, and third class levers. Let's talk about each one in details. The first class levers, they are the most popular type of levers in our daily life. To define the first class levers, we can say that they are the levers that have the fulcrum between the effort force and the resistance force. So, if the lever has the fulcrum in the middle between the effort force and the resistance force, so this lever is first class lever. What are the examples of the first class levers? Seesaw, scissors, crowbar, pilliers, and water pump. They are all first class levers. Why? Because in these levers, the fulcrum in the middle between the effort force and the resistance force. Let's talk about the second class levers. This type of levers in which the resistance force between the fulcrum and the effort force. So it's a lever that has the resistance force between the fulcrum and the effort force. Examples: nutcracker, wheelbarrow, and bottle opener. They are examples for the second class levers. Why? Because they have the resistance force in the middle between the fulcrum and the effort force. What about the third class levers? The third class levers, they are the levers that have the effort force between the resistance force and the fulcrum. Examples: ice holder, manual broom, sweet holder, hockey bat, tweezers, and fishing tool or fishing hook. They are all third class levers. Why? Because they are the levers in which the effort force in the middle between resistance force and fulcrum. So we can make a small comparison between the three types of levers according to the midpoint. If the midpoint is the fulcrum, so it's first class lever. If the midpoint is resistance force, so it's second class lever. If the midpoint is the effort force, so it's third class lever. Give reason. Why the wheelbarrow is a second class lever? Because it has the resistance force between the effort force and the fulcrum. Another give reason. Why the ice holder is a third class lever? Because it has the effort force between the resistance force and the fulcrum. Comparison between the first, second, and third class levers. Definition: first class levers, they are the levers that have the fulcrum between the resistance force and the effort force. What about the second class levers? They are the levers that have the resistance force between the fulcrum and the effort force. What about the third class levers? They are the levers that have the effort force between the fulcrum and the resistance force. Examples: first class levers, seesaw, scissors, crowbar, pilliers, and water pump. Second class levers, nutcracker, wheelbarrow, and bottle opener. Third class levers, tweezers, hockey bat, ice holder, sweet holder, coal holder, and manual broom. I want you to study this lesson well. I want you to try to answer worksheet number 1 by yourself. And in the next video, we will answer worksheet number 1 together. Goodbye.